Hello, I am Bob, your narrator, and today I would like to talk to you about advisory at our school, KIS Jeju. Advisory, in one word, is communication. I would like to share with you some data about advisory first. In 1996, the National Longitudinal Study of Adolescent Health, a survey of 75,000 students from 127 schools, found that students need to 1. Feel safe. 2. Need to belong. 3. Feel respected. 4. Know they are being cared about by a trusted adult that does not judge them. That is not all. A meta-analysis of 165 prevention programs found that initiatives that focused on creating a more positive environment decreased behaviors such as substance abuse, non-attendance, and other problem behaviors, because this kind of school environment enables students to feel included and cared for. So, what do you say? Okay, now to the nitty-gritty. In Atlas Rubicon, you will find all you need to know for grades 6 to 9, while 5 and 10 will work on it together this year. Good luck.